I was running errand for my sister yesterday. It wasn't an easy errand that I would take my gadget with me to him one or two. No, it was a very risky errand that took me hours. Even my kids came back from school. Their father have to take them to their grandma, so they spent their day at their grandma's place. When I came back, it was very, very late, and I had no choice than to prepare something to eat because I was so famished. Notwithstanding that my sister gave me something, but it wasn't enough. I have to prepare something for the family because my husband also told me that he was hungry. When I wanted to prepare something, it was late, and I want to do some editing to put in my editing class. It wasn't really funny for me. I tried to edit one or two just to put in the class, but when the complaint of my husband was becoming so serious, I have to leave it and rush down to start doing the dishes before I'll start cooking. But while I was doing the dishes, I've already placed my egg in the fire to start cooking. When I was done, the egg was halfway done, so I have to go in with my rice, and I just want to make a sharp and fast cooking. Don't need too much ingredients. I have crayfish at home and I have some eggs at home. I don't need to start running around into the market again to go get fish. I would have get it when I was running errand for my sister, but it didn't occur to me that I would let her cook something because I was planning it going to cook today. So I have to manage what we have there. The annoying part of this was when I was done with the cooking, I served the kids, served myself, served my husband, and we all ate. Okay, let me start editing this video because I wanted to post it last night. Come see the kids disturbing me with their noise. If I go inside to edit, they will follow me inside. Who will I beat? Will I kill them? They told me that today, oh yeah, you people should go and sleep. For where the kids refused to sleep. Oh, I pushed them inside. I locked the door. They were there shouting, and it was night, disturbing the neighbors around. I have no choice. I say, you see this video, it seems that this video don't want to go out today. Let's leave it for tomorrow, which was today. Quick one, guys. If you're thinking on how to edit your video like a pro, my online editing class is ongoing now. All you need to do is just send me a message indicating that you're interested in the editing class, and I will put you through from there. Or if you're coming from TikTok, send me a message in the number on my bio, on Facebook, message on the number on the C section, Instagram, same thing, YouTube, same thing, the number on the C section. Guys, I'm not against TikTok. Okay, educational toys in Lagos reach out to me that she has something for my kids, help them through in learning, and I say okay, and here comes the gifts. Wow, so beautiful. Indeed, is educational. Please, I'll be tagging her handle on the screen. Please go and patronize her. She's on sales now. She's Fatima by name, and she owns and runs this brand. Like I say, she's on sales now, and she supplies educational toys and learning aids for children to school and individuals too. Located in Lagos but delivered nationwide. Fatima, thank you.